I was at the Venice Biennale in 2025, and I something clicked for me. I had learned about MCP in the fall of 2024, and then I was connecting this idea of the graph RAG with the idea of the MCP server, and was just thinking about how powerful this will be for the future of architecture and design. And I just can't wait to see how this can be useful for so many people in the design and architecture field, and how much more intelligent our buildings can become when we are able to create this feedback loop of project success over and over again. So please join me in sharing about this Arc OS that I've been developing here at Nodes 2026. For the last year and a half, I've been working on a project that I like to call Arc OS, which is a collection of tools for architects and designers to help them to integrate artificial intelligence, creating a stack that has intelligence at every layer. Arc OS is an opportunity to connect the dots that have been wanting to be connected for a long time. Many architects and designers have a disparate workflow and so many different processes and tasks that take them in so many different directions without anything that really allows them to transfer the knowledge and intelligence they create in one part of their workflow and take that into other parts of their workflow. For me, ArcOS is a glue and a connective tissue that streamlines the architectural design process from early concept design all the way to construction administration, and closes the feedback loop as they start a new project. So the tools that we're focused on are something we call the Phi GraphRAG, which is built on the idea of the principle of Phi, or creating balance and order. The next tool is called Underlay, which is semantic and concept-driven image generator that's bolstering the precedent image selection and creation process for early design work. Built on that is something we like to call Nodal. Nodal is focused on physics-first 3D modeling, and we believe that connecting the Phi GraphRAG to the physics-first 3D modeling engine gives us a robust capability that's never been seen in the architecture and design space. Maybe we can call it something beyond BIM. But the idea for us is that we integrate the stack, connect the past project repository from an architect or design firm to their current project, and allow for the the designer who's operating the project to be able to much more fluidly refer back to the older projects that they've already worked on in the office, and pull from that knowledge base that exists across these old projects that are currently just sitting in the archive and not producing any value, when they really could be such a valuable asset to the firm in the terms of embedded intelligence. So, for example, if a designer is focused on designing a stair made out of aluminum, they can look back very easily, or even have an AI assistant prompt them with other projects that have used aluminum in the stairs, and even give them details, architectural details from the previous project and how they've used it, or suppliers they've used in the past, or problems they had in the field with that particular stair with the contractor, or even help them with value engineering, or with kind of physics first principles of how to make the stair better through the use of this physics first 3D modeling engine that we're developing. And then also thinking about how they worked with the consultants on this particular part of the project. So hopefully trying to close the loop on allowing the past project repository from a particular architecture firm to be able to inform future decision making in a much more intelligent way. Thank you so much.